they didn't have this obsession with female virgins the way we have. They didn't have this obsession with just marrying young women who've never been touched or what have you, or like this whole conversation even now about body count and the load. They were thinking about women in need. So, and a lot of those women that were in need were, like you mentioned, divorcees, were widows. What I'm saying is that they didn't view like polygamy the way a lot of men view it nowadays, as it's just about lust. They viewed it as a responsibility, because you have to remember, even, okay, why is there so much emphasis in the Quran about looking after orphans? Because an orphan is someone who's lost their father. In those societies, the father is a primary caregiver, so provides financially as well. And generally, if a woman doesn't have a male provider, whether it's her husband, whether it's her father, financially she's destitute. Obviously, that's not the situation in many situations nowadays, but it's important. That's why people understand that, because orphans are the most vulnerable people, especially in those societies. These men were looking after the wealth of these women. That's why you would find a woman would lose a husband, and within a couple of months, so a very short time, someone's proposing to her. In our modern day context, that just sounds strange. You know, astaghfirullah, people might think bad of that woman. Like, how can you just marry even someone that you know is passed away, her wife, because she'll be destitute. She didn't have the welfare system. She didn't have people looking after her. So it's not only just about like lust. Do you understand what I'm getting at? So
context matters. Watch the full episode and subscribe for more.